Hey guys, so today I am going to do the Bratz doll challenge. I don't know if you guys have seen this floating around on Instagram, but I saw it and I had to do it immediately. I think I saw Crispy do it first, but I don't think she was the first person to do it. There are so many people that have done this now. I have no idea who the original person was, but if you guys do know, please leave a comment down below so I can stalk them because it's such a cute idea. So if you search the hashtag Bratz challenge, it's like 12,000 posts, and this will give you a little idea of what it is. So there's this one, which is super cute. You can kind of see where it's going, like hair, makeup, outfit. So I'm gonna try, oh my god, this one's my favorite. Look at this one. How bloody good is that? So I screenshotted a couple that I loved. I love this one. Let me show you. This one here, I think I'm gonna do this one today because it's kind of colorful and fun, and you can see I've kind of been inspired by the jewelry. I do have a pink fur coat, faux fur of course, but it's not the same color. I don't have anything this color, this hot pink color, nothing, nada. So I might have to Photoshop it. And then I also loved this one, but I feel like that's too basic, bitch. But I love it so much. So we're gonna try and emulate this look today. Yeah, hopefully it's a bit of fun. Let me know what you think and let's get started. So I think I'll start with the eye makeup. I'm not gonna do cartoon mode. I'm gonna do realistic, like still look like myself, just Bratz inspired. I'm gonna do overlined lips though and stuff, but like I'm not gonna do the whole cartoon eye that like, who was it that did it? Promise did, I think. Amazing, but I probably can't do that right now. So we're gonna do it like realistic ways, but still like try to make my eyes look real big. I don't know, let's just see how it goes. I am going to start with the P. Louise base, and I've seen a few people telling me to try using it a lot thicker. So I'm gonna try that today. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger and put on a nice super thick layer. Wee! I loved how the P. Louise base went just thin. I'll link my video below where I tried it for the first time, but apparently this will be even better. We'll see. I'm doing it as thick as I can without being like obviously super like creasy or anything. I literally feel like I'm putting on way too much, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, there we go. That well and truly concealed everything at least. Do you know how annoying this palette is? Like I love it, but, well I love the mattes, but honestly I can't fit it in my drawer. It's too big. It's so huge. Even if I lie it down sideways, like my drawer won't shut. It's so big. Anyway, the look I'm doing looks like it's pink and baby blue. Oh, and she's wearing contacts. Do I have contacts? I feel like I should be wearing contacts. Well, she doesn't have contacts. She's got blue eyes. I don't. That's what I meant. So I might use this palette today just because I already used it once in a video and I feel like I should give it another go as well. I'll link the video where I tried this below. It's the same video where I tried this eye base. If you didn't see it, make sure you go watch it. I loved how the makeup turned out. Just wasn't a huge fan of the shimmer, but we'll try another one today. Notice anything different? I just put in contacts. It's so weird. I haven't worn contacts in so long. These are the closest things I have to blue contacts. I look like a crazy woman right now. But anyway, I'm gonna start with the super baby pink color, this one right here, on a firm blender brush, and just start popping that into the crease. I can already tell this makeup look's gonna be something I would never wear. Someone actually told me to do a pastel look on Twitter today, so that person will be stoked for this, hopefully. So yeah, just blending that all the way through the crease. Hers goes all the way in to like the bridge of her nose, or lack thereof, because she barely has a nose at all. Now I'm going to use a little bit of the hot pink, but I'm going to mix it with the pale pink because the pink on her eyes is like bright, but not as bright as the hot pink, like just a little bit less bright. I'm just going to kind of like build up that same area. I'm going to make sure to wing it out quite far because we're going to clean up the edges. I'm going to make it real sharp because hers is very sharp with the eyeliner. I love how these eyeshadows glide on top of this base. So I feel like the base is working very similar to last time. I don't know if it's any different or not. Maybe I still didn't use enough. I don't know. So I'm going to use the hot pink by itself and really pop that into the deepest part of the crease. We're going to cut it out a little bit soon. Now I'm just going to cut out my crease a little bit, or try to. I'm really bad at doing this. And I'm just using a concealer brush. I feel like this is the best brush I own to do this, but I feel like I need something different, like, because it's real flat, so it seems to like do the best job, but I've seen other people using even flatter brushes. It looks way easier. I don't know. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I need to put the aircon on. It is so freaking hot. I apologize if you can hear it, but wow, I'm literally gonna just sweat off this entire makeup look if I don't. Okay, it's a little bit rough. I'm going to probably touch up the pink a little bit soon because I want it to be real sharp. So I'm just gonna take that same concealer brush I'm using and I'm gonna go into the pale, like sparkly light blue shade, which hopefully will end up looking something like this on the eye. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, I feel like this is the perfect shade. And we're keeping the lower lash line very clean because she doesn't have any lashes or anything like that down the bottom except for the very outer corners. No color or anything. So I'm just doing it kind of sharp and then I'm going to sharpen up that hot pink soon, but I might use like a slightly darker color even. Oh my gosh, I'm going to the gym tonight. I'm going to have to take this off because this is just a bit extreme. I feel like early 2000s realness right now. That awkward time period where everyone just wore really weird things. I feel like this shimmer is doing better than the purple last time. I did say in the video I think it may have been more of a top coat and then a lot of people confirmed that in the comments, so it's a shame though because I love the look of that shimmery purple. I would have loved it to be just like a purple you could use on its own, and it was not, but this blue definitely performs pretty well on its own. Let me just zoom you in a little. I feel like we're too far away from each other. Hello there. These contacts are like really annoying me. How did I used to wear these every single day? So I'm just wiping away some of the product that went under my eyes because we're going to do the eyeliner next. I just want to do the eyeliner before I finish off the actual eyes because I think I might actually add a bit of like a black line through the crease just to kind of emulate the whole look, but I just want to see how it looks first with just the eyeliner. Otherwise I'll just use like a darker pink just to kind of make it more intense. So I might use Black Track today with a winged liner brush just so I can get some extra precision. So I'm going to try and aim for a very almond shape. Her eyeliner goes up to the pink bit, so we're going to go up to the pink bit. I'm going to go right down into the inner corner and kind of do the little like flicky thing. God, I feel tragic right now. Okay, we're going to tidy it up a bit more. I'm just going to put this on my waterline as well. I'm feeling like a 10 out of 10 right now, honestly. Wow. Beautiful. So I've just got a little cotton bud with some makeup remover and I'm just tidying up everything. I feel like this side's a little bit too thick at the top. Looks absolutely crazy right now, but I'm hoping that once we put on the foundation and the mascara and stuff, it'll come together. So yeah, that's how the eyeliner is looking. It just strays like a friggin' curve, but it's a bit hard because I'm apparently shit at eyeliner now. So I'm gonna hold it there for a little bit. I'm gonna go onto my foundation now because I'm pretty happy with the shape and everything, and then we'll do our brows and then I'll finish off the eye makeup. So zoom you out a little bit again. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in with my Stila One Step Correct. It's kind of like gone back to being one of my favorites of all time once again. It was like one of my, you know, holy grails back in the day. And then I stopped using it all the time because I used it all the time on my channel and I needed to try something new. But now it's back and I love it so much and I remember why I loved it so much too. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation and then my concealer to sculpt out this eye makeup a little more. She is flawless, like duh, she is a doll. But we're gonna do a full coverage foundation. I've got light medium sand in the Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Foundation. So I'm just going to pop some of this on with a Flawless Finish sponge. Just stir that all over my skin until it looks as perfect as possible. Where did my face go? I want to try and get rid of most of my freckles and everything. We're going to draw on a couple too because she's got a couple of little beauty spots. I was going to say hers is in a similar spot to mine, but it's not. Mine's there, hers is there. I was like, Okay, so we're looking pretty good. Now I'm going to conceal. I am going to use some Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light, and I'm just like, I already wiped off most of the product, so I'm not actually adding more, I'm just spreading it out. And we're gonna try and like make this nice and sharp and get rid of all the pink that is up to my like forehead. And I'm gonna use a little concealer brush and just like get that as sharp as I possibly can. You could also use tape, I guess. I should have probably done that, but you know what? Oh well. We're already looking better. Like just having that even base with the bright eye makeup. I am going to highlight my brow bone because she's got like a white color. So I'll do that after I do my eyebrows. Okay, so this is blended. I'm just going to add a little bit more concealer over this area because I feel like I didn't get enough coverage just here. I've got like a little pimple situation. So just using another shade of Shape Tape. This one is light medium. I'm just going to blend that with my sponge. Just blend it all together. Do a little bit just over my nose. Make sure it's all even. I don't know what's up with these songs lately. That's Hamish's fault. He always sings weird songs. I'm looking like a porcelain doll right now. So there you go. Mission achieved. I'm making sure to get right into the inner corner because she doesn't have any kind of like inner corner highlight or anything. So we just want it to look nice and clean, skin colored. I feel like I just need to touch up that eyeliner in that inner corner, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna set everything with my normal powders, you guys know the drill, and I'll be right back. I'm also going to do my eyebrows too. Okay, so I used my Brow Contour Pro by Benefit, which looks like this, in the shade light brown light, whatever, and I just tried to do like a thin eyebrow. It's kind of just like my normal eyebrow, maybe like in millimeter smaller than normal, thinner than normal. But yep, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna use the same thing to do the moles at the end. Wow, good one, Shannon, good one. I should do lashes. She's got very dramatic lashes on the outer corners. Do I want to do something like this? I feel like it needs to be very extra, so maybe I'll use these. These are called Exotic by EXO Beauty. These are the most dramatic lashes that I sell, and they are not for the faint-hearted. But first, of course, we will apply some mascara. I'm going to use my Better Than Sex because this packaging is just so cute and very appropriate for this video. It's very Bratz looking, I think. So just applying that on the top lashes only. I just got that on my eyelid. Zeus distracted me. Little shit. Every video. Okay, also I'm just going to do the little outer lashes. Whoops, I got that on my mole. I love this mascara so much. Every time I use it, I'm just like, yes, yes. Oh, that inner corner smudged again. I feel like we're getting there. I feel like this is becoming the doll. I just don't know if I want to do the whole lash or like a half lash, because her lashes start like a third back from her eye. But like, is that going to look weird IRL? That's the question. I might just put it on the back of my eye a little bit more than normal so that it kind of like it's more like elongated. By the way, guys, this is who does these Bratz pictures. I don't know, does he make them? But anyways, look how cool. So like, this one was amazing. I saw Crispy do this one, so go check him out. I think, did he start the challenge or does he just do these dolls like for fun? Like, I don't know what the backstory here is, but his page is amazing. I'm gonna follow it right now. I need to sneeze, my lash is gonna fall up. Please no, please no. Oh no, I got mascara everywhere. Oh god, why does that always happen? All right, we'll just let it dry. It's gonna be fine, Shannon, it's gonna be fine. Oh, hay fever. By the way, I think in America, you guys, some people have been like, what is hay fever, Shannon? I think you guys just call it allergies, you know, to like pollen and dust. Okay, let's try this on this side. This is very stressful. Oh, it's really hard to stick lashes on in this exact spot. They just don't want to stick to the like contour of my eye, but we will persist and overcome. Life is all about doing this stuff. Overcoming goals and things. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more mascara on the inside to try and like make a transition, because my natural lashes are not as long as these falsies and it looks a bit strange. I just added a little bit of my tinted lash primer by Benefit on my inner lower lashes. It's a little bit more natural just because it looked a bit strange. I feel like it's a bit more balanced now, so the outer corners are still like accentuated, but like, you know, I feel like we just need to do some kind of not line, but kind of line throughout that like crease area. But I don't want to do a line. I feel like I might just use like a maroon or something, like just through there, because I don't really want to do black and just like ruin it. I'm really terrified of just screwing it all up. Does this palette even have a maroon? I guess I could use like a mixture of this and this, like these two colors. So just using my winged liner brush once again, I just washed it with some quick brush cleaner. I'm just going to mix those two shades together. I'm so scared. I'm just going to wipe off half the product off my brush and just like go slow, just in case I hate it. So hopefully I can just like blend it out if it's real bad. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. It just looks a little bit more true to the doll. Just a little bit more of something in the crease. Okay, I think that's good. So I'll just do the other eye quickly as well. You can see the difference. Okay, we're done. So that's that. Oh wait, no, I'm not done. Just kidding. Let's just do a little bit of white. I'm gonna mix the white and the shimmery light gold color. I don't think I'm using the right brush for this. Just put that right on the brow bone and try to blend it in with that pink a little bit. I feel like I look hilarious right now. Is there contouring? Like, not really. She's a doll. Like, but I'm gonna do some because I need that shit. I'm gonna use my Sweet Tea bronzer by Too Faced with a bronzer, or like this is a jumbo powder brush, and just apply that to my cheeks. And I'm also going to put this just on my nose as always, and around my forehead. So yeah, she doesn't really have this, but we're doing it. Bit of contour as well. I was putting some on my chin too to make my face look a little bit more circular, because her face is cute and little and round. I want to go with like a natural glowy kind of highlighter because she's not wearing any shimmer or anything, but she's plastic, so I'm going to use some Aurora by EXO Beauty, which looks like this. This is like a lit from within kind of highlighter, so I'm just going to apply some of that to my high points. just so we look naturally kind of radiant rather than like shimmery or like obviously highlighted, like just a nice natural glow. Okay, lips. This is the part I'm most terrified about, you know, not gonna lie. So her lips are obviously very plump, shiny, pink, overlined. We'll do our best. I'm going to use Holly lip pencil and I'm gonna overdraw my lips. I'm starting just by like kind of doing my normal amount of overlining just over the top of my lip line, and then gonna overline a little bit more than normal. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Just overlining mostly like this bottom part and then the top cupid's bow area. I don't really want to do my lips as big as hers because it's just not happening. I'm gonna try the shade Rescue Me by XO Beauty. I feel like this is kind of like a similar color. I might have to change it if it's not right. I feel like it's similar. We're just gonna blend. So I'm just going to take my lip pencil and kind of take it on a brush and just like, I don't know, try to blend these together a little more. I want to make sure there's still an obvious lip line because like on the doll there's an obvious lip line. I just want it to be a little bit more subtle. Now I'm just going to tidy up around my lip line with some concealer just to make sure it's nice and sharp. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of MAC Vanilla Pigment and draw on like the shiny bits of the lips. This is when I don't want to rub my lips together. And a little bit down the bottom. Okay guys, so I think I'm done. Wait, no, beauty marks. So I'm going to take the lighter shade of the brown light and I guess just here. That's so bad. Oh, what about this? This is the Shape and Shade Brow Tint by MAC. I feel like I'll just do a really pale one like that because it looks a little bit more like realistic-ish. I'm so bad at beauty spots. I feel like this would have been even more epic before I dyed my hair a bit darker because her hair is so pale, super blonde, but I just did a little half up kind of situation. Then we put on the closest jacket I have to her, which is not close at all, but oh well. This one right here, that is my attempt at turning myself into a Bratz doll. I'm gonna put a photoshopped picture on my Instagram, so feel free to go check out my Instagram if you want, because I feel like I could photoshop myself and make it look so similar. Is it similar at all? I don't know. Let me know how you think I went. I had a lot of fun recreating this regardless. Like I would never wear makeup like this out of the house, trust me. But it was a bit of fun. I feel like you could actually make it work like with a different lip color or whatever, but hey. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And I can't wait to see all of your guys' recreations as well. Make sure you're using the hashtag Shaaanxo on Instagram and stuff like that so I can have a browse if you do create this look or like a similar Bratz look. I'd love to see what you guys come up with as well. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.